Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can do the airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to its latest version. And after that, you will be redirected to the home page of Monopoly Go where the actual game is played. Now turn on the airplane mode and play as you would normally. If you don't like the outcome after rolling, simply close the app completely and open it up again. Let it load until 20% and turn the airplane mode off. Once the app reloads, you can see that the rolls are back to your account and the location is reset. This is basically how you can do the airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.